Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul and a weekly meal plan. And when you are seeing this on Sunday, it is Thanksgiving week, so there's a lot of stuff going on. So we have a very little haul and I'm going to show you guys. So right here we got a pack of strawberries because I needed some fruit. You guys, has anybody noticed I did not buy a zucchini last week because I didn't? And I was craving it, so had to get a zucchini for a recipe. Got some sour cream and onion chips for Jared. Bought myself a Sierra Mist. My mom is down for the weekend because we have a wedding to go to. And she said all her little Filipino friends likes drinking this. So we are going to try it. It is some sparkling apple mango. Never had sparkling juice, but we'll try it. Mama also wanted me to buy her some light brown sugar for Thanksgiving, so we got that. I got some cheese. I need a new shower liner. Jared has to work this weekend because of the upcoming Black Friday sales, so I got him some Monsters. He wanted the mango one. We got some eggs. I got this thigh slimmer for my dress because I have been needing something that covers it, but I got a 2X, which I don't usually, I just wear extra large, but the sizes, I don't know. I just got a size up for it, so we'll figure it out. And then my mom found this for me. Of course, it's a bra. It was on clearance for $2 from $10, so we just bought it because it was on clearance. And then I wanted to try some charcoal toothpaste. I've heard a lot of people have liked this. If you have tried this, let me know down below. I'm really interested in trying it and seeing if it works. Then we needed some chicken thighs for a recipe. And then I got a big pack of ground beef. It was $5.67 off. So I only paid $6.65. So that's a really good deal. But here is the overview of everything that I got. Very small haul. And then for the weekly meal plan, it's very simple. Sunday, we're going to have leftover chili. Monday, we're going to have chicken Loretta with my zucchini. Tuesday, leftovers. Wednesday is breakfast, so we'll have eggs and bacon. Thanksgiving is Thursday. Friday and Saturday, we'll have leftover Thanksgiving. But on Thanksgiving, I will try and video it. I might not talk through it, but I will show you everything that we have laid out for Thanksgiving for the what's for dinner. But anyways, I hope you guys like this. This haul was originally about $50, and it was so expensive because this was $7 and then this was $5, so it's fine. And yeah, so this is it, and I hope y'all are having a great week. Happy Thanksgiving if I don't see or talk to any of y'all this week, but hopefully y'all have a great holiday. Bye, you guys.